That's right, I'm really hot. Look at this. Walton, the kind of sleepy town where people legit just park their bicycle outside like that. I remember doing that back in the day. My bike got stolen. Anyway, my pants are sticking to me. I have a bag full of groceries and electrical supplies. So we're gonna extend. I'm gonna cruise a little bit. I'm gonna cruise a little bit, and then we're gonna go watch MotoGP. Trying to get some wind. Smoke shop. What's the temperature? In the sun, it's 88. It's about 71 normally. And we're gonna hit some Twisties. Up a little bit of Twisties. Ooh, it's actually 83 in the sun. I thought it was 70 sun. God damn. It's a hot day today, huh? We got a cute little motel here. Walton Motel. Adorable. Let's stay here. 100% stay here. Here we go. 55. Feels good. A little bit of wind. Gonna go home, watch MotoGP, make some steak or pizza in the air fryer. Either one. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to Oneonta and Bainbridge, my high school town and my college town respectively. Man, this bike, what a miracle. because on Monday I plan on possibly going somewhere. Gorgeous this is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't think this is the one. No. This is not the one. I got confused. Psyched myself out. That's where you check in. Boy, this thing fucking roars, huh? And this is it. Jesus! It just fucking rips. I love how just the snapping, the theatricals. The bike is supposed to be brutal. It's a fucking Ducati Monster, for crying out loud. Look, I'm not even doing anything. The thing is just gargling on its own. Let's pull into the right a little bit. It's fine. See, that's a lake down there. Sometimes I stop here. It's right over here. People camping, people chilling. Nice, how you doing? I haven't camped yet this year. Savagery. Honestly, oh yeah, they do have tents. Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. They got cars and they got kids. should be camping. It's already freaking June. Madness. Jesus, this thing freaking roars. Look at this. It's like just glides along. It really does. Just pull over right here. Got a Gatorade in my bag. Jeez. How nice this road is. There are deer around though. Don't be confused about that. They can come out at any moment, but they hear me coming, so that's one beauty about loud exhaust as well. The deer can hear you. Yeah, right. That's what I like to think. It's probably not true at all. The deer don't care. This thing just turns on. This is touring mode. Gotta watch out for animals. I'm not worried about the actual road, but the animals are everywhere. Yeah, I guess. Humans. Ooh, what's this? Interesting. Humans as well. Just because there's campsites around here. I'm about to show you where. We were camping before. Nice little pull off right there. Beautiful. Look at these campsites. Open. Nobody's camping. Beautiful. What we got over here. Stay here for a sec. Look at this.